This project was presented to us in the fall, and we were going into winter with it, and no one was really confident it would be done over the winter, and we gave them that confidence to do it over the winter, and it turned out really well at the end. Lots of concrete details in this job. Everything you see under here is all concrete. It looks really nice on the surface, but it was all concrete poured in the winter. The concrete, when you pour it, it has a chemical reaction that creates its own heat, and then beyond that we'd put insulating tarps on it, and also put heat mats on it, which generate heat from electricity. So we'd put them on 2 days in advance, and they'd pull the frost out of the ground, and then after that we could pour the concrete on top of the ground. The planting design was changed a few times. It was done a lot in-house, and a lot of it was our suggestions after the design was already in. Once all the building elements were in, we went around and did a planting design as well, and a lot of that came from the requests of the homeowner, also for privacy. Along the perimeter of the property here, you see this is enclosed by spruce trees, and that's really just for the privacy from the surrounding houses. All the different materials on site here really presented us with a unique way of putting materials together, where prior we'd kind of just have like a patio and some gardens surrounding here, but it's concrete and tile and steel and the masonry. The hot tub's very cool too. There's a TV that comes out of it, and it's very private with the tree surrounding it as well. I'd say this is a staple for our portfolio. It's a really nice job overall. It incorporated all the skills of our team and really challenged us, especially over the winter.